Hi, in today's lesson we're going to learn how to use just, yet, still and already. You'll learn when and how to use them with confidence. Just, yet, still and already are used with the present perfect because they relate to the present moment. So let's look at them one at a time. First up, just. Just means a short time before. So, for example, I've just seen Rory coming out of the supermarket. This means a short time ago I saw Rory coming out of the supermarket. Notice just comes between the auxiliary verb, here have, and the past participle, seen. Or, Mike's just called. Can you ring him back, please? This means that a short time ago, Mike called. Again, notice just comes between the auxiliary, here has, and the past participle, here called. Moving on to yet. Yet means at any time up until now. We use it to emphasize that we expect something to happen soon. Yet in this context is only used in negative sentences and in questions. So, for example, have you finished your homework yet? Notice yet comes at the end of the sentence or question. Or, I haven't finished it yet, I'll do it after lunch. So here we've got yet at the end in a negative sentence. Moving on to still. Still means that something hasn't happened. We use it to emphasize that we expected the thing to happen earlier. Still in this context is only used in negative sentences. So for example, I've been waiting for an hour and the train still hasn't come. Notice that still comes between the subject, here the train, and the auxiliary verb, here hasn't. Or, you promised me your homework yesterday, but you still haven't given it to me. So here still comes after the subject you and before the auxiliary haven't. And finally, already. Already means before now. We use it to emphasize that something happened before something else or earlier than expected. For example, she wanted to see Little Women, but I've already seen it. This means that I have seen it before now. And notice already here comes between the auxiliary have and the main verb seen. Or as in this example, the train's left already at the end of the clause. So we've got already at the end of the clause. So that's it for now. I hope you feel more confident using the words just, already, still and yet. Remember to like this video if you found it useful, share it with your friends and colleagues learning English, and don't forget to subscribe and click the button on the bell, and that way you'll get notified when any new videos come out. So that's it for now. Take care and see you very soon. Bye bye.